What is going on, everybody? It's Courtney, the pimp master, the pimp mistress of stuff. What's going on, everybody? James here, and what's better than surprise stuff? Thank you, Dave. I got a text while I was recording the video for the Great Reseller Life today, and I went outside to go to the post office, and this stuff was sitting on the porch, but it was sitting on the side where we throw trash to get thrown out. So I immediately just saw the boxes and thought somebody just put them there to have, trash thrown out, until I saw those and I go, wait, what are these? We don't have a Ford. And then it finally clicked. that Dave dropped off some stuff for me. He just gave it to me. So thank you so much, Dave. So I have not looked in any of the boxes. What you see is what I see so far. So I'm excited to go through this and see what we got here. So looks like we've got some mud flaps for a Ford, some OEM parts. So that's cool. We got 4 of them total there. So awesome. What's in this box? Looks like we got some hats. Some blank beige hats. No, they're not blank. They got some little logo of some sort. The game hats. I'm not sure what that logo stands for. Wait a minute. It says the game there, but it says Ashworth here. I'm confused. How can a hat have 2 different brand names? Huh. That's curious. I have no clue about that. I would have to do some research there. I've never seen that. All the hats I've sold, I've never seen that. Usually the game is the game. Looks like we got some socks here. And of course with eBay, they have to be new. You can't sell used socks. So we got Cubs. Even though I've gotten away with selling a few used pairs of like Kobe's and stuff that were expensive. We got Fighting Illini. Crew socks. Good hue. We got some Champion. More Fighting Illini and more Cubs. So cool beans there. That'll go into my newer clothing store. Next up, we've got, looky here, some Rawling visors. Nice, all new with tags. How cool is that? Well, we got something else up under here. Something's else. American Fighter. We got a Fila running hat. He had dropped off some hats before for me, and some Fila running hats and stuff, and I've sold bunches of them. So there's another one to add. Tag. Rawlings 10. And the Cubs. Hat to there. So there we go. Or is that Cincinnati or is that Cubs? I don't remember. The color looks Cubs. All right. And I love getting duplicates. I love that stuff. So we've got this head tennis book bag. So that's cool. New, of course, with tags. Sweet. Let's see what this one is. I'm just that dude. Alright, we got some like side bags for maybe some hiking, some outdoor stuff, sportswear, if you will. So we got some small blue ones. And we got a bigger red one. Here, Wild Canyon. And we got a different kind here. Vertical drop pouch. And another red one. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, sir. All right. What we got got here? We got some mowing faucet. So that's pretty cool. Mowing faucet here. Cool beans. We'll go here before I, whoops, open up that one. What do we got here? Portable Bluetooth speakers. Alright, we got an HP wireless HD camera. Cool. Sweet. Little Bluetooth again. And some more Bluetooth speakers and more Bluetooth speakers. Pretty cool. Exciting. All right, what's in this one? We got some bandages, knee straps. Ace adjustable knee straps. Very cool. And plenty of them. Volume. I like playing the volume game. Boom. Biggity bam. So a nice little surprise video here with some surprise merchandise to list. So we'll try to get some pictures of that this weekend and get it into my production line of listing and get that stuff in my store hopefully before Christmas. So, all right. Thanks everybody, and I will see you all in the next video. Later.